All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have here for you the Microtech MSI. You can pick this up for about 180 bucks to 220 bucks. Check out this cool design right here. So you pull that back like this, and look at that, the blade drops out. So let me show you that. Pull back, blade drops out. Pretty cool, right? Would you rock this? Microtech MSI. Serrations, very nice. Close it, pull that back, make sure your fingers are clear, and you see the blade drops just like that. Let's try to get a better angle here. Okay, so I don't know if you caught that. We're going to close it up, one hand. Look at that. Close one hand, open one hand. I'm going to try to see if I can get that in the view here for you. So pull back on that. This lever right here. Make sure your fingers are clear from this area. Pull back, knife's closed. Pull back, knife's open. It's a pretty unique design. Takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you get used to it, can't stop playing with it. Let's see how sharp this thing is. All right. I'll do that on the camera here for you guys. All right. Okay. I would say pretty sharp.